when the people gathered, made a large crowd in Jallianwala Bagh, then Dyer entered the area and blocked the exit points and opened fire on the crowd, killing hundreds. His object, as he declared later, was to produce a moral effect. Clear? So this news of Jallianwala Bagh spread. Crowds took to the streets in many North Indian towns. There were strikes, clashes with the police and attacks on the government buildings. The government responded with brutal repression. Clear? After that, people were doing the strike, clashes, and with the police and were attacking on the government buildings. So after that, this news tragedy, in short we can say, the news of the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy spread the country like a forest fire. In short meaning, so the following were the consequences. What were the consequences? I have told you, there were strikes, clashes with the police and attacks on the government buildings. Clear? After that, violence forced Gandhiji to call off the movement. Clear? After that, we will read Ralt Satyagraha. Ralt Satyagraha had been a widespread movement. It was still limited most into cities and towns. Now Mahatma Gandhi felt there is a need to launch a more broad-based movement in India if they wanted to get the independence. So that's why he organized without bringing it. Can't be possible without bringing the Hindus and Muslims closer together. One way of doing this, he felt, was to take up the Khilafat issue. The First World War had ended with the defeat of Ottoman Turkey, and there was a rumors that a harsh peace treaty was going to be imposed on the Ottoman Emperor. Clear? Over a jung, they started a Khilafat movement. A Khilafat committee was formed in Bombay in March 1919. A young generation of Muslim leaders like the two brothers Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali began discussing with Mahatma Gandhi about the possibility of a united mass action on the issue. Clear? Gandhiji saw this an opportunity to bring Muslim under the umbrella of a unified national movement. Now Gandhiji wanted unified national movement. They wanted to bring Hindus and Muslims together under an umbrella. Together they wanted to if they will fought together, Hindu and Muslim will fought, then they can get independence. Clear? Next point is by non-cooperation. We will read tomorrow in the next video. So read these pages thoroughly 32, 33, 34 and 35. Swaraj in the plantation before this. Clear? Thanks. Have a nice day.